making masala chai for my another client. You see, this is real nice organic black tea. So I made a masala for next your client. She doesn't like the video, that's why I don't record her. She's coming. So you like to drink some chai?
Oh, thank you.
Don't drop.
Thank you.
Johan is here in the morning, although it is a holiday. He came for a nice private yoga lesson. So he's a very disciplined, long-term yoga student. And he came with a very nice shirt and nice jeans. Looking young, 27 years old.
27 max.
Okay. And exhale completely. Retention now. Inhale deeply and hold the breath. Hold the breath comfortably without any strain for any parts of the body. Already start to experience the power of the breathing, power of the silence, power of the connection with yourself. Nice, beautiful morning, bringing even more energy, more silence, more connection with yourself. 10 seconds more. And slowly release the bandhas. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale completely. Inhale deep. Rock on the tummy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rest first the chakras.
Hey guys, making a chai for my private yoga client. Nice masala chai, masala chai, masala chai.